Hey guys, so this is a market update on crypto. So we shall be looking at a few charts here to plan out our short-term trades on Bitcoin and other altcoins. So I have opened up the chart of the USDT dominance. So as you know, this has got an inverse relation with the crypto market. So once we see the USDT dominance getting up, then we also see the markets correcting, right? So in this case, what is concerning right now is that the USDT dominance chart is forming some kind of a contraction near the 5% mark. So as you see right now, it has formed two higher lows in this case, and right now it is on the verge of breaking out this symmetrical trend line, symmetrical triangle pattern, right? So that is a major concern right now. So if this breaks out on the upside, then we can expect a crash in the crypto market. So this is not a good sign for the short term. But if I were to talk about the plus side, so in this case the 5% mark is actually a really strong resistance. So we can expect to see a breakout on the upside and a rejection from the 5%, leading to the lower levels in this case, right? So right here around in this case as well, we have seen something like this. So here too the prices broke out some kind of a contraction pattern, and then it was not able to sustain above the 5% mark, and then we see it declining, right? So that's how the USDT dominance chart is playing out for the short term. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. So what are the things analyzed from this chart? So here also what we can see is that the prices have printed out a double top in our daily time frame, and the 45,000 mark, that happens to be a really strong resistance, and the 34,400 mark, that happens to be a really strong support. So as of now the prices are consolidating in this wide range of prices. So talking about the USDT chart, if we correlate this with Bitcoin, then we can expect a breakdown of 35,000 mark if the USDT dominance chart breaks out above 5%, and if it rejects from the current levels as you see here, then we can expect the Bitcoin prices to go up and clear out the level of 45,000, making the target of $50,000 for the short term, right? So that is our trading plan based on the USDT dominance and the current price action forming up in Bitcoin. So if I were to talk about the total crypto market cap, we see a similar kind of pattern here too. So in this case we don't see a proper uptrending price action forming up. So it has printed out a lower high, and now the momentum on the downside seems to be pretty strong. So here too we should be waiting for the breakdown of 1.6 trillion mark. So after which we can expect it to correct to about 1.5 and 1.4 for the short term, right? So this is the plan if the market turns bearish. And talking about the altcoin market cap, so that is also not looking really great. So here too the overall market structure looks pretty strong, but for the short term we might see a breakdown of this 931 mark and see it getting down, right? So that is the plan if the markets are bearish. And if I were to talk about the plus side, again the USDT dominance getting rejected from the 5% mark, leading to a rally in Bitcoin and a subsequent rally in our altcoins. So that is the plan for the longs. So let's see how this plays out. Currently we are not interested in making entries in Bitcoin and any other altcoins, because Bitcoin is trading in a range and the global markets are extremely volatile. The S&P 500 is pretty bearish, the UK and the US markets, everything seems pretty bearish. So as of now we are not interested to long until we see a fresh breakout of the 45,000 mark and a retest, followed by the rally towards the 50,000 and 52,000 marks. So that is the trading plan for Bitcoin and the investment plan for altcoins. So let's see how this plays out. I hope you guys like the analysis. Follow us for more. Thank you.